You guys know about Pi Network, right? The app you can use to mine coin called Pi for free by tapping the app once every 24 hours. But the coin doesn't have a value yet, but you can accumulate it. Now, I did a video about this coin in February of 2021. You can check out that video. Now, there is a lot of updates now, and the Pi Network mainnet has been launched and things are becoming clearer, which also means the coin is finally going to have a value. We now know what the total supply is, the token distribution, how the mining will continue and other mining incentives, how many pioneers are on board, how to claim your Pi on the mainnet, and so on. But we don't know what the price will be yet. And importantly, you have to make sure you carry out your KYC within the stipulated time so you don't lose all the Pi you have already mined. In this video, I'm going to break all this down. I'll also show you more ways to increase your mining power, the price possibility, and some Pi Network scam you should be aware of so you don't lose your money. Guys, after watching this video, you're going to gain clarity on what the Pi Network is and the possibilities. So let's get to it. And of course, if you're not subscribed to this channel, do that right away and click on the bell icon so you don't miss any of our upcoming videos. How we're going to go through this video is this. We'll look at the Pi Network overview and its vision, the roadmap, the mining in the mainnet, tokenomics, KYC, scam you should be aware of, and price prediction at launch. There are timestamps in the description. You can use that to jump straight to the section you want to view. But you will not want to do that because I have a lot of valuable information packed in each section. So, Pi Network overview. The Pi Network was launched by 3 Stanford University graduates. The vision is to build the world's most inclusive peer-to-peer economy, an online experience fueled by Pi, and grow Pi to become the world's most widely used cryptocurrency. Most crypto projects build the project first, launch the token, then look for community of users to buy the token to give value and utility to the token. But Pi Network instead is building the community first, which are getting the coin for free by tapping the app. Now, this is where the inclusiveness in the vision comes in. The community of Pi miners is currently sitting at over 30 million. When utility is brought into the network, you can use Pi to pay for goods and services in the network. Apps and businesses are going to be built for those millions of users within the ecosystem. Eventually, users are going to require more of these services and products, which means they will want more Pi and they have to purchase it, giving rise to demand and value to the Pi coin. This goes to show that Pi coin will be a true utility coin, and the value is greatly dependent on the application and use cases of the network, fueled by the number of people that want to use them. The Pi Network roadmap can be summed up into 3 phases of development: the beta phase, testnet phase, and the mainnet phase. The beta phase started November of 2018 when the app was launched and the white paper released in March of 2019. In this phase, all pioneers could do was to mine coin and invite their friends to do so. They could also add people to the security circle. The idea is to grow the community while the project is in the development. The beta phase continued until March 14, 2020, when the testnet was launched. In the beta phase, the network grew from 0 to 3.5 million engaged pioneers. From the beta phase, we moved to the testnet phase. The testnet is more like, this is what the network is meant to do, but we are going to test it out first to see if it works well, if there's anything we need to add or remove or improve on. The thing tested for include connectivity, performance, security, scalability of the Pi blockchain. Over 10,000 functioning community node was reached, with over 100,000 in the waiting list. Now, this is impressive. This also proves that decentralization could be reached. Apps were also built by community members to run on the testnet. In this phase, pioneers grew from 3.5 million to over 30 million. And this led to the mainnet phase that started in December of 2021. If you've been waiting to cash out your Pi coin, you can do that in the mainnet phase. But there are two things you have to do first. One is to complete your KYC, and two is to wait for the open network period. Let us start with the open network period, then we'll come back to the KYC. So there are two network periods in the mainnet phase. One is the enclosed network period, and two is the open network period. Enclosed network period is what we are currently in, and the enclosed network period was basically carved out to give everyone time to complete KYC and move their mined Pi to the mainnet, so that when the open network starts, everyone can start transacting in the Pi at the same time. And this is for the sake of fairness, actually. Thus, the enclosed network period has a lot of restriction. Pi up to pioneer and pioneer to pioneer transaction can take place, but connection to external blockchain and crypto exchanges will not be allowed. So in this period, you can use your Pi to purchase goods and services within the Pi network, but you cannot exchange it for other cryptocurrency or fiat money. Now, the open network period. Depending on the maturity of the enclosed network period and the progress of the KYC, the open network period will begin on Pi Day, which is March 14th, 2022, or June 28th, 2022, or even later. In this period, all the firewall preventing the external connectivity will be removed, which means that connection to other blockchain and exchanges can take place, and you can now exchange your Pi for other cryptocurrency or fiat money. Here, true decentralization will be achieved because the network will no longer be in sole control of the Pi core team. Now, mining in the mainnet. Mining will still be by tapping your app, but the number of coins you mine per hour in the mainnet is different from what you are mining in the beta and testnet phase. Before the mainnet, what increases your mining rates is the number of persons you have in your security circle and the number of referred friends that are actively mining. But in the mainnet, increase in mining rates is a function of the security circle, the number of referred friends actively mining, number of Pi token you lock up, time spent in the network interacting with different apps in the network, note you are running, other types of contribution necessary to further grow the network in the future. The total supply of the Pi network is 100 billion Pi coin. 80% of this is available to be mined by the Pi community, while 20% is for the Pi core team. The rate at which the 80% is mined is the same rate at which the 20% is released to the Pi core team. For example, if 10% of the 80% is mined, which is 8 billion Pi, then 10% of the 20% will be released to the Pi core team, which is 2 billion Pi. Furthermore, the 80% community supply is further divided into 65% allocation for the past and future pioneer mining, 10% reserved for supporting community organization and ecosystem building. This will be managed by the Pi Foundation, and 5% reserved for liquidity pool. This will ensure that anyone can purchase Pi at any time. Now let's go on to the KYC procedure. KYC is done to make sure that it's only human beings mining Pi and not bots, and also to make sure that people don't have multiple accounts. There will be a rolling grace period of 6 months. This grace period is the time given for everyone to verify the account. Once you have verified your account, all the Pi you have mined will be moved to the mainnet wallet. Note that Pi you earn from mining activities of your referrals will not be moved to the mainnet wallet until they have also completed their KYC. Currently in your app, you will see unverified balance, which is all the Pi you have earned, transferable balance, which is the Pi from the verified account that will be transferred to the mainnet wallet once it is ready. This rolling KYC period has not started. Once it starts, it will last for 6 months. However, go to your profile and verify whatever is there, such as your phone number, Facebook, and email address. The core team has said that there are currently over 30 million pioneers, but after verification, they expect 30 to 20 million pioneers. This is taking out double accounts and accounts operated by bots. That said, let's look at some scam you should be aware of in the Pi network. Pi network is not doing any ICO or IEO or launchpad. The Pi coin is not listed on any exchange, centralized or decentralized. So anyone trying to sell you Pi coin is a scam. So beware. These guys can adorn their profile with the pictures of the core team so you think it's them. Beware. Also, the only way to claim the Pi coin you mine is through the app. Any website asking you to claim your Pi through it is a scam. Now let us conclude this video by answering the question: what would be the possible price of the Pi coin when it is launched? The truth is that no one knows this, not even the core team. So anyone telling you any price is lying to you. But you can do some guesswork by looking at the market cap and circulating supply. The price of a coin is the market cap divided by the circulating supply. Now, we don't know the market cap of Pi coin. We don't know what the circulating supply is. What we know is the total supply and a rough estimate of the actual number of holders, which is 10 to 20 million. So you cannot really say what the price is going to be, but the good news is that the project has a good number of holders, which is a huge success. And this is where we come to the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed it and learned quite a lot. If you did, give this video a like and share it. That helps to grow this channel a great deal, because YouTube will know that the content is valuable and organically promote it. So it encourages us to keep shooting well-researched video like this. And of course, subscribe to this channel if you've not, and hit the bell icon. We have more amazing content coming up and you don't want to miss it. So I'll see you in the next video. Bye.